today is my announcement na po. I think, yung una muna. Lang. Yung isa po, yung una, 25, aalis kami. Last year, May 26, Jollibee kami. Ngayon na, May 25, McDo. I think di ako makapag. Yung isang announcement is, should I quit mag-videos? Kaya bahala. Like this. No. Subscribe is yes. Kung yes, kung subscribe, yes, na ko, mag-quit ako. Like, no, hindi ako quit, okay? Sister ko nandoon sa kwarto. You wanna see? Wait lang. Ayan. It's my sister.
Hi.
This is called G-stick.
Wait lang.
Nanggal ko ang nails ko. Ayoko na kasi. Ayoko na ito. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Inom lang.
Ginom guys.
It's not about a... Wait. It's not about money. Tapos, isang nakacharge pala phone. Money. Yan, nakita niya na.